Ano yung masasabi mong, oh wow, nasa double digits, ganun ba?
Uy, oo.
Pag nasa G's 11, no?
Oo,
Okay, okay.
sobra-sobra yun.
So, clearly, ang stats natin ng first set, nagkatalo sa attacks.
Sa attacks.
And those were down the lines.
Yes.
Pablo,
Pablo.
Todorovic.
Yes.
Ay, yung dalawang pumapalo dun eh.
Oo, kaya kailangan talaga yung net defense ng Signal, they have to be more aggressive, they have to be on their toes, they have to be able to read sino ba papalo. Is it Olgard? Is it Myla Pablo? Who's gonna hit? Is it Todorovic? So they really have to be smart.
So, tingnan natin, babalikan natin yung thought mo dyan on the net defense. Des Dadang ang nag-serve para sa Philips Gold. Set 2, pero ito ang first point ng set 2 off the deflection ay mapupunta sa Signal.
So here we go, mukhang hungry si Usher to get those sets from Hingpit.
April Hingpit on deck to serve. It's 1-0. Set number 2. Sa set count lamang po ang Philips Gold, 1-0. Pero dito sa set 2, 2-0 para sa Signal HD Spikers.
Because it wasn't really the best of first balls from Go Hing. Dowd had to run after that ball, and that's what you don't want to happen, that your setter has to run after the ball. You have to give the ball to her so she could set up a good play.
Muli ho kami bumabati ng magandang hapon sa lahat ho ng nanonood ng Philippine Superliga Grand Prix 2015. Ito po ang tambalan ng Reyes at Pablo, the two chickies. And completing our coverage is Carla Lizardo. At kami po yun yung napapanood ng live sa TV5, Action TV at sports5.ph. 2-1 ang ating score. Signal ang may kalamangan ng isa. Si Dowd nag-serve para sa Lady Slammers. Laporte, ang ganda nung ginawa ni Mick doon. Deception ang kanyang bitbit.
It pays to be ambidextrous. Makita mo naman yung big smile on team captain Mick Laborte.
Pumeke ng kanan, binitik ng kaliwa.
Correct. Deception nga.
3-1 ng mga HD Spikers. Yun naman ang sagot dito ng Philips Gold. Ganda ng connection ni Dowd at saka ni Alexis Olgard.
And you know, I said earlier to Dowd, in the first parts of this conference, the connection wasn't there between Dowd and Olgard because the sets were nami-miss time ni Olgard, but now it's there, and it's because of the built relationship that they have off the court.
May amo yan no? Ika nga yung language natin sa sports. Rally continues. Todorovic, nilagyan ng kinargahan ng power yan at off the deflection, labas ang bola. Point goes to Philips Gold.
Ang ganda rin ng pagkapalo niya. May kita mo yung top spin because she saw that both imports were up on her.
Myla Pablo nag-serve para sa Lady Slammers. Quick one there. Pero maganda floor defense ni Lindsay Dowd. Todorovic. At ang dive ni Gallinero, hindi nasuklian ng maganda.
Oh, at nakita ni Todorovic, hindi ready yung floor defense ng Signal, kaya doon niya pinadala yung bola.
Philips Gold, lamang ng isa, 4-3. Myla Pablo will be serving for the Lady Slammers. 3 attacks already under her name. Second ball. Palo ni Vivas. Gohing was there. Bow to the back. That one was out. Yung cross court.
Aminado naman siya. She knew that was way too wide. No ano dyan. Walang violent reactions to her.
Alam niya wala siyang kalaban-laban. Pero magaling sa mga import natin, pati sa mga locals. Yung adjustment, ang bilis.
Yes. Nadadala kasi yung locals natin sa tempo, ability, and skills of the imports. They get inspired.
At huwag natin kalimutan, ang kapitan dito ng Philips Gold, Michelle Gumabaw, may palo din yan at ipinakita sa atin ng huling aksyon, giving Lady Slammers a 1-point lead. It's 5 serving 4. And serving for Lady Slammers is Alexis Olgard. 5 atake na under her belt. Quick one there. Great net defense by Philips Gold. Lady Slammers naman ang susubok. Nasa may net. Nagawang parang-paraan ni Dowd yun. They set up Gumabaw. Ball is still alive. Chance for Signal to score here. Another great net defense shown by the Lady Slammers. Usher Gumaba will set. Well, that was a miss set there. Chance for Signal to score. Running hit by Anderson. Si Dowd, ibinirik ng sa kabila. Hingpit will go to Vivas, to the back. That one was out.
Alam mo yung nangyari doon,
Wow.
Vivas was under the ball. Kaya lumabas yung bola niya, but that was an excellent rally. Nobody wanted to lose that rally.
Sa haba ng rally, alam mo that something is about to break.
Yes.
And in that particular
It's
action,
not easy.
good yung observation mo sa ilalim. Tinamaan ni Vivas. Phillips goal, dalawa pa rin pong abante. 6-4 here in set number 2. Running hit there by Anderson. Gives Signal their 5th point. Sorry, partner.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, kanina si Hingpit was having a, was struggling in giving Anderson the right height of the ball, but that particular time, it was perfect for her.
It's 5 serving 6 and it's Mumay Vivas. Nag-serve para sa Signal. Bow to the back. Line official said it's in. And was there a challenge? May challenge po si Coach Sammy Akailar. Alamin natin alin sa 7 challenges. So ang hiningi nila ay block, touch. Ano ba?
Tingnan natin kung meron.
Hindi, ang china-challenge ko Sammy outside daw. Ball in or ball out. So, tama ako.
Yeah,
Because
number 1.
I saw him signaling.
Yes.
Yung out ang china-challenge ko, hindi yung block touch. Mamaya natin puntahan si Carla. Carla, standby ka lang dyan, ha? Importante itong hinihingi ni Coach Sammy because Signal is down by a set. Ooh! So, Chick,
Yes.
ano yan?
Inside. That's it.
Pasok,
Kitang-kita.
ano?
Pasok na pasok.
Okay. Wow! The beauty of the video challenge.
Yeah. Because in volleyball, kahit na ba 1/4 lang ng bolang tumama sa line, pasok yun.
At
So-
yung credit punta sa ating line official.
Yes, because they
Sapagkat-
said it was inside.
Oh, eagle eyes yan.
Yes.
So lamang ang Phillips goal po dito. 6-5. And serving would be their captain. Michelle Gumabaw, humingi ng replacement ball. Yung hangin, importante. Ano?
Importante yan.
And may konting kaguluhan tayo dito.
I think they're trying to verify if the challenge was successful or not.
Pero sinabi na ng Barker natin that it was unsuccessful.
Yes, not successful.
But April Hingpit thinks otherwise.
Pero yung mga ganyan, dapat wag na nating i-prolong because it might affect your game.
No. So we are waiting for the final go. And meron munang pagpupulong dito ang ating mga officials. Coach Sammy Akailar on your screens. At this point, you're down by a set.
Yes.
Kumakarera kayo ng positioning sa Final Four.
Mhm.
Aba, every point counts.
Yes.
Every point counts and every challenge is crucial.
That's right. But this particular time, they've accepted the decisions of the referee.
Captain Michelle Gumabaw serving. It's 6 serving 5. Set number 2. Good serve. Free ball. Pagkakataon dito ng Phillips Gold, maka-score. Dowd again. We've seen that so many times sa Arsenal nitong si Lindsay Dowd. At yung kanyang utak move there, binigyan niya ng 3-point lead itong Phillips Gold Lady Slammers.
Nasa wing spikers area, yung sina Todorovic and Usher. So there you have a miscommunication between libero Jack Janela and Ariel Usher, which you really don't want to happen again.
So ang beauty dito talaga, no, dalawang import, bawat kupunan, and one may be taking more of the limelight, di ba? Minsan sa opensa, pero ang maganda doon yung kanilang partner, tumutulong.
Yes.
Tumutulong yung mga yan. Aba, medyo lumalaki na itong kalamangan dito ng Phillips Gold. Buti na lang natapyas sa pababa sa 3 ng Signal.
So ito yung si Anderson, one of the sidekicks, so to speak, who's not really a sidekick.
Oo, kita mo naman. Matangkad yan, tumutulong. Pero yun nga lang dito sa kanyang service, ang puntos napunta rito sa Phillips Gold. They're up by 4. And it's Todorovic serving here for Phillips Gold. We'll turn you over to Carla Lizardo. Carla, what do you have there?
Bo Todorovic really expected Signal's offense to be focused on her today, so she had to mentally prepare herself to play a more versatile game. She isn't worried about being attacked though, telling me that she actually loves playing under pressure. Mas lalo daw gumaganda ang laro niya. And during their last timeout, we saw her determination to win, telling her teammates that for every point that Signal gets, they need to get 2. Balik sa inyo, Chicky at Chicky.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Carla. You mentioned that, Chicky, earlier. Gandang
Yes.
report ni Carla na si Todorovic, veterano. I know they'll gang up on me, pero may depensa rin ako.
Oo. Ang sabi nga niya na what she loves about volleyball is the adrenaline rush of an intense, close match.
Eh, kung ganyan ka-close yan, lalabas talaga yung husay
Oo.
nitong si Bo Todorovic. And easily, isa to sa mga pinaka-paborito ng mga nanonood ng Philippine Superliga Grand Prix. Partner na magana to sa anim. Itong kalamangan ng Ladies Numbers, 12-6 ang ating score.
Whoa! What a serve there from Bo. Tinulungan ng net
Naku.
and hindi nakita ni Hingpit. Just landed on their side of the court.
Coach Samia Kailar, napakamod sa kanyang ulo at wala kang kalaban-laban sa net. Pero kailangan focus. Eh, ito yung kalaban nila. Si
Yes.
Bo Todorovic, yung focus nandun, yung determination nandun, yung net, tinulungan pa siya.
Yes. Ang difference ngayon na nakikita ko sa Philips Gold and Signal is that when you look at Philips Gold, they're having fun. They're smiling and, you know, which is the reason why palaki ng palaki yung lamang nila. Ang sa Signal, parang masyado silang tense. Oo,
Okay.
masyadong stressed. So, nare-restrict yung movements nila. And that's why Coach Sammy was saying, relax, focus, don't think of too many things. If you made a mistake, it's normal. Get over it.
Now, I believe in that exchange, maganda pinakita ng Signal. Pero mas maganda lang yung pinakitang atake ni Myla Pablo.
I just thought that Mick's block there was a little bit too far from the net. Kaya nakalusot yung bola.
Okay. So this is the biggest lead already of Philips Gold. Walo na po yan, 14-6. Susubok ang Signal. Laborte. Balik sa Ladies Slammers. Pablo muli. And Pablo is also in a zone.
You know, everything is going well for Philips Gold. That was an excellent set from Dowd, considering she had to run to get that ball.
At nagkakahawaan dito, no, Chicky, yung demeanor ni
Yes.
Bo Todorovic, nag-feed off dito sa
Yeah.
ibang manlalaro.
Yun nga ang sinasabi ni Go Hing na si Bo doesn't just produce in numbers, but she encourages a lot. Pag nagkakamali, tinuturuan sila kung paano to avoid that mistake. And look at that. Look at what she does when she hits that ball and earns a point. Diba? Yung rah-rah-rah energy level niya.
Biggest lead by the Philips Gold Ladies Slammers. 10 na po yan, 16-6. We'll be right back. Huwag mo kalimutan yung 17 ni Myla Pablo.
Yes.
Ang ano lang doon, ng game na yun, pero medyo missing in action si Michelle Gumabaw.
Oo.
Pero ngayon, dito sa ating nakikita, nandiyan ang Todorovic, nandiyan ang Alexis Olgard, and everybody else is helping. Everybody else is helping. And this is a perfect example. Meron silang kalamangan na 11.
Ang Signal, maganda yung set ni Ancheta, but the blockers were there. Myla Pablo having a solid block there. Hindi prepared ang coverage ng Signal for that block.
Alam mo, I always hear from you, successful block, dapat magkatabi kayo sa net,
Yes.
magkatabi yung mga arms. In that particular
Yes.
block, wala kang katabi dun si Myla. May
Oo.
butas pa eh.
Ang nangyayari kasi dito sa Signal ngayon, hindi sila mabilis gumalaw.
Yan.
Because the energy is really low. Parang iniisip nila, ano ba to? Wala na to. Talo na tayo. 6 lang tayo, 18 na sila. But when you're in the court, as long as the coach, the referee hasn't blown his whistle to end the game, may pag-asa.
But we've seen a lot of weird things in volleyball.
Yes,
Partner, ang
that's right.
0-2 na deficit. Pwedeng mawala yan. I'm not saying tala dito Signal, but right now, Philips Gold kasi parang hindi magkamali dito. HD Spikers, pagkakataon ng Ladies Slammers to increase the lead. They go to Pablo. Pablo with an emphatic hit. And the lead is up to 13.
Myla Pablo, one of the players whom I think has improved immensely in this conference.
Yes.
I mean, not just a little, but she's now a thinking player. She knows how to hit that ball. It's like she's memorized every angle of that ball.
And it shows. sa
Yeah,
laro
it
niya.
shows.
Almost an ace there, pero may pagkakataon ng signal. Oh, great reception. Nasa net. Naghulaan dito sila Ancheta, Molenberg. Kanino ba mapupunta yung bola? And they paid the price there.
Alam mo, nakita ko na from where we are that ball was over the net already. So I was a bit surprised that nobody was able to read that. It was a campfire.
Oh, pero may violation.
What was a violation?
So,
There was a net
Mukha.
violation.
Alright, so okay pa rin.
So dapat doon learn from that mistake na.
So 12-point lead for Phillips Gold. 19-7 ang ating score. Great dig. Usher. Oh, that hit. They needed that to boost their confidence.
Yes, and now Usher. Ito, pag-asa to ng signal. But of course, it all depends on the first ball.
So si Enclona muna magiging libero dito para sa HD Spikers. Sumuhugot na si Coach Sam ng iba't ibang combination muna. Pablo. That was good net defense, and Mick Laborte had a slight scream there. For Milo Pablo.
Ito kasi si Mick, di ba, known din siya to be really
Feisty
when at the net. Kaya kailangan kung ikaw yung opponent, you just block her out eh.
Lisa Jane man dapat nag-serve para sa Signal. Oh, that was costly for Signal.
But that was a good read by Phillips Gold. They almost took that ball, and then last moment they decided, it's going long.
Alam mo, malayo pa, no? 5 points away pang Phillips Gold. But there's something about that 20 mark, the 20-point mark.
Yeah.
Kung ikaw ang naghahabol.
Oh, na parang, kung ikaw yung nasa 20, parang kahit paano nakakampante ka na konti na lang.
5 na lang. Hindi
Oh.
na kailangan mo iskorin. Lady Slammers. They set up Pablo. Great block from Molenberg. Meantime, Usher, soft touch, and Usher will score.
And that's what I was saying. Usher is also a thinking player. She doesn't just hit the ball cross court. She can go down the line. She can go a soft hit like that over the blockers. Of course, it helps that she's tall.
20-10 ang ating score. Ingpit ang bumalik para sa Signal HD Spikers. At siya rin ang magsaserve. It's 10. Serving 20 here in set number 2.
Ingpit din kasi magaling to mag-serve eh. Beach volleyball player. So, when you're playing beach volleyball, you have to be able to score from the service zone.
Daming factors na iniisip ka doon. Pero dito, teka lang. Signal gets that point. There's a net violation.
So, slowly but surely, they inch their way.
Mahaba-haba itong
Hahabulin nila.
habol na
Oo.
Signal. Pero hanggat hindi pa tapos yung hindi pa nakaka-25 yung kalaban.
Oo. May pag-asa pa.
Pukpuk lang. And Coach,
Oo.
actually, Coach Sam is just sitting down. Hinahayaan niya yung mga players. Kayo ang namanap ng paraan dyan. Pablo. Oh, great dig. Signal on the attack. Mick Laborte.
That was a good 1-2 play there from Mick Laborte. Phillips Gold were surprised by that play.
At si Coach Francis Vicente, sabi, teka lang dumidikit na to. Pakinggan natin yung huddle nila.
Somebody should be alert on the drop ball at the middle. Okay? Okay, naintindihan nyo, ha? Huwag nyo
Next.
hayaan na hingi kayo ng error sa kanila. No. No, don't do that. Okay, get the ball, get the ball. Be aggressive in getting the ball. No matter what happens, as long as you have that attempt to get the ball. Okay? Intindihan, malay nyo, mabuhay. By doing a pancake.
I like what Coach Francis said, partner. Huwag niyong intayin magkamali yung kalaban.
Yes, don't ask for the points through the mistakes of your opponents. Kailangan aggressive sila. Kailangan laging may attempt to
Aha.
get the ball.
Pumancake ka na, malay mo, matsambahan.
Oo,
Sabi nila,
correct.
at abangan daw yung mga drop shots.
Yes, kasi so far, yun ang nagpapahabol sa Signal, mga drop shots nila.
12 serving 20. Hingpit pa rin ang nag-serve para sa Signal. Lady Slammers. Almost. Kita mo, nagawa ng paraan ni Lindsay Dowd yun. That was almost an error on the part of Phillips Gold. She did something about it at nabigyan niya ng puntos itong si Olgard.
Yeah, and a big smile from both Allgard and Dowd. So more aggressive in the floor defense of Signal. That's a good first ball.
21-12, 9-point lead. Let's see, Usher says, nope, we're not yet done. We're not yet done. But they are down by 8 points.
Ngayon, 8 na lang. Diba? So, unti-unti ang ginagawa ng Signal. Hanggat hindi pa talaga tapos tong larong to, pwede pa.
Laborde, that was out already.
Yeah.
Pero inabol pa rin ni Myla Pablo. Ball is still alive. Free ball here. Lady Slammers. Quick 1-2. Olgard. Pablo to the back. Zone 6 was open.
The blockers were there, but Myla Pablo's hit went over. Oh, let's see the replay here. The blockers were there, but nakalusot sa mga kamay ni Anderson. Walang nagawa yung floor defense nila. Kaya kailangan talaga yung floor defense parating handa in case makalusot yung bola sa blockers eh. Good read there. That was a strong ball from Pablo.
Kanina siguro sabi ni Pablo, naku po, inabol ko yung outside na serve. Kailangan
Oo.
gawan ko to ng paraan.
Kaya lang, that time, nakagawa
Diba?
siya ng
Kanina,
paraan.
yun nga lang, binalik nga lang niya ng service error. 14 serving 22. Mahabol dito ang Signal. Tingnan natin kung may oras pa sila. Great dig. Enclo na po yan. Balik ang bola sa Lady Slammers. Going. Will set up Kumabaw. Vivas was there. Usher from the back. Dowd will set up Todorovic. Another open zone 6.
And Clona has to take yung ano ba? I'm lost for words in that play because that ball was clearly gonna go to the middle back, and she wasn't able to move. But she's the the floor defense specialist. So you have to keep moving when you're at the back.
Oh, the burden of adjustment nandito talaga sa HD Spikers. They're down by 9. Kingpit will set up. Oh, great hit coming from Mandapat. Pero talagang depensa ng Lady Slammers, pati opensa nandun.
Once again, that ball went in the middle, back middle, and there was no attempt there from anyone. And you can't have that when you're down by 10 points.
Siya na dumipensa. Siya pa rin ang tumapos. Talking about Alexis Olgard.
The energy level of Alexis Olgard.
Set point here para sa Lady Slammers. Chance for them to close this one out. Kumabaw will do that. She will do that. And our score, 25-14, still in favor of Philips Gold Lady Slammers. They are